Welcome to part 1 of the metal lathe. In this session we are going to describe the lathe, its component parts and safety features. This is the headstock. The headstock assembly contains the spindle speed selectors. They govern the turning speed of the spindle and chuck, measured in revolutions per minute. The spindle and chuck hold the workpiece while it is being machined. This is a 3-jaw chuck for holding round workpieces. The feed rate selector is used for screw cutting and semi-automatic machining. It adjusts the feed rate of the cutting tool on the workpiece in either transversal or longitudinal directions. This is the apron or saddle. It houses the tool post, the compound rest and the cross slide. The apron also houses the split nut control, the longitudinal and transversal feed control and the clutch. Next to the apron is the feed rod that, when engaged by the split nut, controls the direction and rate that the apron or the cross slide moves. Next, we have the bed and the tailstock assembly, used for centering, drilling and holding longer workpieces steady. Today's lathes are also equipped with a number of safety features. These are the emergency stop button on the front panel, the chuck guard, a safety screen and a foot brake located at the base of the machine. Wiseman Institute is a leading provider of business improvement and technical training solutions. We specialise in cabinet making, engineering, food processing, bread baking and building and construction.